What's up, party people? It is Brian here with Unravel Multimedia, and today I'm here with unfortunate news. If you're a Dallas Cowboys fan, defensive end Randy Gregory has been suspended for the first 4 games of next year's regular season for violating the NFL's substance abuse policy. And it has been reported that Gregory failed 3 drug tests during last season's regular season and seems to just not be able to get his act together. In my opinion, this is not a surprise. This is a disappointment, as he did say at the draft that he would not be in Roger Goodell's office and that he would sure fly the straight and narrow path. As we all know, at Nebraska, he did have problems with marijuana and failing a drug test at NFL's Combine last year, and now it seems that he is being consistent in not being able to tell the truth and fly the straight and narrow path. If you're a Cowboys fan, this is definitely devastating news, especially with Greg Hardy not coming back next year, a free agent. Jerry Mincy is also a free agent, and Jack Crawford. The Cowboys now are really in the hole as far as defensive end players and pass rushers. They really need to see now, I believe, in the draft who they can get and also in free agency. They cannot go out and just get a bunch of guys. They need playmakers. They need showstoppers because, as we know, the Cowboys lack a pass rush severely. And now with Randy Gregory, who was supposed to be a big part of the defensive line next year, is out for the first month of the season. They really need help. And I just really want the Cowboys to stop taking chances on guys who have drug issues or seem to have domestic violence issues or whatever the case may be, because they are a football franchise. They are not supposed to be a rehab center, which the Cowboys seem to be at. And I think this has got to stop. They have to start looking at guys' character in the draft and also when they bring in free agents. If this proves to be the case, once again, the Cowboys get a player who does not keep his word. And as far as Gregory, I want to know from you Cowboys fans out there, do you think he's a bust on the way to being a bust? Because I didn't. I mean, you cannot trust this guy, obviously, if he fails 3 drug tests. 3. You know, that is a very... It just shows you the lack of common sense he has. So, going forward, I just don't know what the Cowboys are going to do as far as defense. They really need to go out there and get a guy who is going to be a leader and also really make plays, because right now they do not have that on defense, in my opinion, and now are really stuck in a hole. So I really want to know if you guys think they need to be in the draft looking for guys. Is Randy Gregory going to be a bust next year, or on the way to being one? And just very stunned by this news, because this was supposed to be the year where they get the defense right and make a run next year with Romo fully healthy. But that doesn't seem to be the case. The Cowboys, once again, are in the laughing stock, along with the teams like the Cleveland Browns and the Cleveland Browns. So with that being said, as always, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and please do subscribe to Unravel Multimedia. And until the next episode, take it easy.